Hi everybody, welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. Today is Friday the 17th, it's July 17th, 2020. Welcome to our live wig show. We are currently open here and practicing social distancing. So we are open with limited hours by appointment only. Our current hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. by appointment only. You can make your appointment on our text only number. Don't call this number, text it, and you can text it at any time. It is 424-258-0657. So text us to make your appointment. We are here. We have all of these wigs here, plus more on the way. We have more wigs than I've ever had in stock before. So Magic Hair Company is here. We're not closing. And Magic Hair Company is here. We have a wonderful selection of full lace and front lace, all glueless lace wigs, and they're in stock. Shampoo and conditioner. We have our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and of course we have our edge tamer. All of the products that you see here today, everything that all of the wigs behind me, you will find in our featured wig section on our website. And all of our featured wigs can ship in 1 to 3 business days. So kind of started doing these live wig shows during COVID so we can be open and still be able to service everybody and maintain social distancing. So I'm here today for our live show. And my shirt today is from Afro Unicorn Official. I love this shirt. I have a matching sweater. Check them out. I believe their Instagram is Afro Unicorn Official. Yes, domestic shipping is free. During checkout, you can select curbside pickup. So when you place your order online, you can either have your order shipped to you or you can select in-store pickup. So you can come in during our business hours. Each of our wigs have an individual 3-digit wig number. This one is 477. So if you go to our website and plug that in, you will get all the details you need about this wig right here. And that is where you can click to purchase, just add it to cart, and then select whether you want to have the wig shipped to you or pick it up in store. Here's our inside cap instruction. We do have a cap here that is meant to protect your hair there. So you see, you can't see my blue nails underneath right here because this cap is it's meant to be a scalp illusion. So it's not transparent here, but it will still give you a very natural look, and then you can still change your part. All of our wigs, whether they're front lace or full lace,